Don't let this weird looking case or elaborate home server rack fool you. This is still just a normal gaming PC that's also functioning as a server. If you use a 2U case like this, you are pretty limited in GPU choices, but I was able to snag up this GTX 1650 low profile, and that's enough for me doing some light gaming on a 1080p 60Hz projector. Being able to grab a controller and play games like Forza from my couch is a super fun experience, and it's a nice change of pace from just sitting at my desk and chair all day. I highly recommend building a setup like this even if you don't have a dedicated home theater setup. But now I want to talk about some virtualization stuff that you can do with a build like this. Hopefully you guys saw that Linus Tech Tips series where they tried Linux gaming for like a month or whatnot. It was actually super entertaining. You can check it out up here. But maybe you now, after watching that, have the itch to download like a new Linux distro and just try something new out. You certainly could try to replace Windows with Linux and survive like Linus and Luke did, but a much safer and less permanent way is to simply create a virtual machine on your new home server. You don't need super high-end hardware to do this, and you don't even need special or difficult software because Windows 10 Pro actually has an option built right in. It's called Hyper-V, and all you gotta do is press start and type in Hyper-V. You'll most likely have to install this specific feature, but it's still natively just a part of Windows and most people don't know about it. Do keep in mind that there are other options like VirtualBox that you can use as well, but if you have Windows 10 Pro already, I actually like using this better. Once you get the feature installed, you'll have to learn this interface a bit, but it's not difficult at all. Everything that you need is in the upper right-hand corner, such as creating a new virtual machine. You'll of course also have to download your Linux operating system ISO file of choice, but after you get these basics down, you'll be able to easily spin up, destroy, rebuild, backup, and just play with whatever type of system that you want to experiment with. If you haven't tried this on an old laptop or desktop or anything ever in your life, this is also a super satisfying experience, and trying out new Linux distros like Pop! OS is super fun and you'll learn a ton while you're doing it. My specific IT job that I had before I quit and became a content creator required a lot of Linux work that I definitely wasn't prepared for when I first took that job, and just spinning up Linux VMs like this is exactly how I learned and got up to speed for that.